morning. This is Twitter on the Floor with Jim Cramer, where Jim answers your Twitter questions. The first one up is from R. Kenny444. He wants to know, is Celgene a good buy right now?
Yes, I think it is. Remember, it sold off very, very rapidly, and then it started to come back. It is still up some 80% for the year, but I think it goes higher.
Lots of pharma stuff happening today, of course. BV Alexander, though, wants to know about Whole Foods, who they were considering last quarter. But what do you think of Sprouts Farmers Market? So it sounds like a food smackdown.
Sprouts did have a great quarter for the group relatively, but I think that Whole Foods is still the umbrella. If Whole Foods isn't going up, you don't want to own Sprouts.
All right, and then finally we have Jedi509 who wants to know, should I dump my shares of Ford if Mulally quits and goes to Microsoft?
Yeah. I mean, that's the problem. Al Mulally is a bankable CEO, and where he goes, you're going to go. If he goes to Microsoft, I'll be a buyer of Microsoft and sell Ford.
All right, well, there you have it. Listen, if you've got questions for Jim, send them to #CramerQ, and we will try to get them answered here for you. That's Jim Cramer, and I'm Deborah Borchardt for The Street.